Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Motorola's brand new Moto Edge 60, a phone that's been making waves as one of the sleekest and most powerful devices Motorola has ever launched. If you're looking for a killer mix of style, speed, and value, this one deserves your attention. First off, the design. Motorola really nailed it with the Edge 60. It's ultra slim, lightweight, and feels premium in the hand with its curved glass finish. On the front, you get a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, gaming, and watching content feels buttery smooth. Plus, with HDR10 Plus support, movies and videos pop with rich colors and deep contrast. Now let's talk performance. The Moto Edge 60 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing on the go, this phone is built for serious speed. And with 5G connectivity, you're getting next-level download speeds here in the US. Cameras are another big highlight. On the back, you'll find a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and even a telephoto zoom option. This setup gives you sharp, detailed shots in almost any lighting condition. Selfie lovers, the front 32-megapixel camera ensures crystal clear video calls and social media-ready snaps. Battery life won't let you down either. The Edge 60 packs a 4,800 milliamp-hour battery with 68-watt turbo power fast charging, so you can get a day's power in just a few minutes. And yes, it also supports wireless charging, which is always a plus. On the software side, you're getting a clean and smooth experience with Android 15 right out of the box. Motorola keeps things close to stock Android, but adds useful features like Moto gestures, chop twice to turn on the flashlight, twist to open the camera, and more. Plus, Motorola promises 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. So is the Moto Edge 60 worth it? For anyone who wants flagship-level performance, stunning visuals, and solid cameras at a price that undercuts big players like Samsung and Apple, the Edge 60 is definitely worth checking out. What do you guys think? Can Motorola make a big comeback in the US with this phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the latest smartphone updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.